The creating high-quality viral thumbnails is a real challenge for every creator. But if you have a tool like Affinity by Canva with you, the things can be a little easier because you have a lot of advanced features and better control to create a perfect thumbnail. Today, I'm showing you how to use Affinity by Canva to create this high contrast, viral style thumbnail in a few minutes. This video is a practice project for my Affinity by Canva free course, which I highly recommend you to watch if you're a beginner. Let's jump in. Open Affinity and create a new document. Scroll down to the video and web, select this HD 720p. Make sure the document units are to pixels and the color profile to sRGB for the best web colors, and now create a document. Our viral thumbnail needs a busy but blurred background to create depth without distracting from the text. Let's create one by dragging in a high quality photo of a workspace. You can create it in Affinity if you have a Canva Pro account or download it from Pixabay for free. To create a blur, go to the Layers panel, click the filters, that hourglass icon, and select Gaussian blur. Increase its radius a little to make it blurry. Now I'll create a dark vignette effect on it. Press U to add a new rectangle over the whole canvas. Then press G to use the fill tool from Type. Select Radial, select the center color from the left and make it transparent by reducing opacity to 0. For edges, choose the black color from the right and set the opacity to 60 to 70%. On the safe side, let's lock the background layers. Next, I will add a logo and make it pop. Drag and import the Affinity logo. Resize it and place it where you want. Click the FX layer icon or effects layer at the bottom of the layers panel while the logo layer is selected. Check outline, set the color to white, alignment to outside and radius to 15 to 20 pixels. In the same effects menu, check outer glow, select a bright green color, set the opacity to 100% and increase the radius until a soft aura appears around the white outline. To make it more interesting, I'll add a sparkling star overlay under it and remove the background. It's time to add text. The text needs to be massive and tilted to feel dynamic. Press T to add text. Choose an easy-to-read font like this Eras Bold. Increase the font size to 100. Type make viral and thumbnails on two separate layers. Make the first line white and the second line a high visibility, yellow. Let's tilt the text a little to get that energetic angle. Select both text layers and use the transform panel. Set the R to 8 and S means shear value to -8 degrees. Now add a drop shadow by adding layer effects and add an outer shadow. Set the opacity to 80%, offset to 10 pixels and radius to 5 pixels. This makes the text look like it's floating. Lastly, to get the crispy professional look, we will color grade the thumbnail. Go to the layer panel, select adjustment layer and select curves. Click the middle of the line and pull it slightly down for darks. Then click the top right and pull it slightly up for highlights. This creates an S-curve for punchy contrast. To boost saturation, add an HSL adjustment layer. Increase the saturation slider by 30% to sharpen it. Press Ctrl plus Alternate plus Shift plus E to merge everything into one new top layer. Go to Filters, select Live High Pass and set base radius to 2 pixels. to change the layer blend mode of this new layer to overlay, the image will instantly look sharper. Last step, export this as a high quality PNG under 2 MB and you're ready to upload. If this helped your workflow, hit subscribe for more software deep dives. See you in the next one.